Good morning. It's a Sunday, summer, out here in Folsom, California. This is Pat Walley coming at you from my backyard. Look at the hydrangeas. This is always one of our favorite times of year because the hydrangeas just go crazy. It's so hot here. The air conditioner's already on. It's not even, what is it, 7 o'clock, 7:55. It's been a little bit of time since I've been on video. I just wanted to kind of talk about disruption. Um, so the other night, my wife was in the backyard, not too far from where I'm sitting right now, and it was 11 o'clock at night, and she was just wrapping some things up, and she walked up on somebody that was in our backyard walking toward her. I was not here, so I got a frantic call, and that was a disruptor. That disrupted our feeling of safety. It disrupted our flow, if you will. So that's where I've been the last couple of weeks, is adding additional layers of security to my home. I'm in my backyard and I've got full Wi-Fi signal because I had to upgrade my wireless network. We now are protected by Ring, which is this is a great system. So I've got video surveillance, motion cameras, lights, camera action. So if you come to my property, you will be filmed. Just letting you know. And it's actually pretty cool. It's part of a neighborhood program, so we can talk to other neighbors. But, you know, I never thought that I'd be dealing with that. So it was a disruptor, and disruption causes action, or it causes stress. So you all know that I'm in the credit repair business, also help businesses get money for their business. And financial literacy, that's the areas that I focus on. And I can tell you that disruption can cause action or stress in those areas as well. If you suddenly realize, you look up one day and you're like, oh my gosh, I'm paying more in interest than I'm making in my paycheck. That's a disruptor. There's some of you out there listening right now that can relate. Or you're maxed out. That's a disruptor. And you can either take action or you can be stressed. So if I had ignored this security issue, I would be stressed out, but nothing would be changing. So it does take action to get change. And now I have peace of mind. We've got monitoring. It did take some input of cash, which I'm glad we had, So in the world of finances, let your disruptors bring you to action. Definitely. It's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful life. And credit and financial stress should not be the number one thing that you think about all the time. It should be way down on the list. The thing that we want to get to is, what am I going to do with all this money? How come I'm having to pay so much taxes? It's a good thing. If you pay more taxes, it means you're making more money. So, just what I thought I'd go ahead and pop in, say hi to everybody. I know it's a little bit early for some of you. For some of you, you've been up for many hours. Hi, East Coast. I know it's already noon. You're like, hey, it's almost lunchtime. So thank you for joining me in my backyard, poolside by Pat with Dignity Credit Solutions. You have a blessed day.